Hey, what's up, viewers? Welcome to the Chamber of Secrets. In this class, I will discuss you about the derivation of AC is equal to ut plus half at square by graph and calculus. So let's start after the intro. So at first, we have to set a graph of velocity versus time. And this is a trapezium like the previous video. This angle is named theta. This is initial velocity component. This is final velocity minus initial velocity component. And this is the initial velocity component. And it is time. And it is also time. And in there the point is A, B, C, D. So we can write that as per the previous video, S is equal to the area of the trapezium. In the next line we can write that S is equals to the area of the trapezium is equals to the area of the triangle plus the area of the rectangle. So we can write now that S is equals to ut, I mean the area of rectangle, plus half into v minus u into t. That means the area of the triangle. So we can write ut plus half at square, because v minus u is equals to at. And now the last line is ut plus half at square. Therefore, S is equals to ut plus half at square. Now the proof has been completed totally. So now the proof S is equal to ut plus half at square by graph has been totally completed, and now we will prove it by calculus. So now this is the calculus part. So we can write that according to the calculus rule, we can take the first derivative of displacement is equals to velocity. So now we will write that in the proof. So we will write, we know ds by dt is equals to v. So now we can write ds by dt is equals to v, or ds is equals to v dt, or ds is equals to u plus at into dt. As we know that v is equals to u plus at. We have already proved the equation. Or ds is equals to u dt plus at dt. And now we will take integration. ds is equals to integration dt plus integration t dt. And we will take the limit. Upper limit is s, lower limit 0, upper limit t, lower limit 0, and upper limit t, lower limit 0. In the next line we can write s upper limit s, lower limit 0 is equals to u t upper limit t, lower limit 0 plus a t by 2 t square by 2, I'm sorry for the mistake, upper limit t, lower limit 0. And the next line s minus 0 is equals to u t minus 0 plus half a t square minus 0, or s is equals to ut plus half at square. Therefore, s is equals to ut plus half at square, and the proof has been completed totally. So by this process, the equation s is equal to ut plus half at square has been completed totally by the calculus rule. So like, comment, share and subscribe for more and more concept clearing. And for today, bye.